So I'm Audra Browning with Isilon, and Jim Board is my manager. And Isilon is a company out of Seattle, Washington, and we were founded in 2000 and have been in business for over 7 years now, and we have over 700 customers and have gone public last year. So Isilon is a manufacturer of clustered storage solutions. And the our cluster is made up of nodes. Each node actually has 2 gig connections to the network. It has a CPU, cache, and disk. We clustered these together in a single platform with our OneFS operating system. And on this platform, we layer applications, and these applications help you to protect, manage, and to move your data. So what Isilon did is it took and it combined the Volume Manager RAID and the file system into our OneFS operating system. And what that did is it made this system very, very easy to manage and easy to use, because all of the management to go with volumes and RAID groups, all of that went away. And what we did is this creates for you a giant Z drive. So it's a single namespace that can be scaled up to 1.6 petabytes. I mean, think about that. This is, you manage your shares, you have your mount points, but you don't. But all the management with a traditional storage system that you had before isn't there anymore. Now, it doesn't solve everybody's problems, but it does solve a lot of problems for our customers. And you say, well, that's really cool, Audra, but why do we need another storage system? We've got so many storage systems already out there. Those storage systems were all developed about 30, 20 years ago. They're block-based storage systems that are designed for Oracle databases, high I/O transaction processing, billing systems, all of those kinds of things. We're happy with letting them do what they do. We're not there to replace them. But what the internet and PCs have done is they've created a new type of data, and this we call unstructured data. And unstructured data is not easily managed like Oracle databases with small files. These are files that change very rapidly. You need to have large amounts of throughput to the network at the same time. And they come in many different sizes and shapes. One of our big customers, LexisNexis, they just store PDFs, but they store about 100 terabytes, every week of PDFs, and they use Isilon because they can scale so simply. Research and analysis, all of these types of applications, they weren't around 10, 15 years ago. And so even if you're using Oracle databases, that's okay, because you can store the attachments and store the PDFs and those types of things on Isilon and keep your Oracle databases on your old database systems. And so these are some of our customers. Also, Turner is one of my customers. Actually, Joey's my largest customer in the Southeast, so I'm really happy to have him here today. But if you watch the Olympics, they're streamed off of an Isilon. If you listen to XM radio, it's streamed off of Isilon. The Dallas Cowboys, they stream all their video off of Isilon. If you're thinking of or having to, because of SOX compliancy requirements, having to store your video conferencing now, Isilon is a perfect solution for that. Any kind of streaming video applications, all your video games are all developed on Isilon at Sony. So you may not know it, but Isilon touches you almost every day. So thank you very much.